Hello friends, I am Roohina. I am going to talk about the changing nature of the software. First of all, we should know what is a software. What does it do? Is it an application software which provides some functionalities or a system software which provides some interface? First thing, we should go with the definition of the software. It states that it is a collection of instructions which provide the user interface as well as it performs some tasks. In the sense, it will say the system what to do, and in some advanced system it also states that what the system should not do. If we see the importance of the software for any system or hardware in which it will run, we can say the system without software would be like the car without driver. For better understanding, if we consider a mobile, it has many application software. Generally, we call them as apps. If we consider a music app, we cannot click a pic in that. If we consider a clock app, we cannot make a call with it. In the sense, they all application software. In the sense, generally we call as app, right? So all the apps are meant for a particular task. In the sense, the software which provide a particular task are known as the application software. It is one of the type of the software. And the next important type of software is a system software. As you can see on the screen, application software will provide the interface between the user and the rest of the system. In the same way, system software will provide the interface between the application software and the rest of the system. If you consider application software, it will run on the platform which the system software will provide. In the sense, system software is a more important software. It states that a software which provide the platform for the application software are known as the system software, and they are meant for running the computer hardware and the application software. So the basic types of the software are, as we discussed, application software and the system software. As we know, application software is software which provide a particular task, whereas the system software will provide the interface between the application software as well as the hardware in the system. You can see here in the picture, the pink color in the picture will says about the application software. First one is DBMS. DBMS in the sense database management system, in which we can manage our data. And the next one is word processor, where we can create a Word document. Another one is spreadsheets, where we can create our documents, table format, and presentation application. In the sense, we can create our PPTs, and calculator, where we can perform many calculations. And the system software are operating system. So the importance of operating system, as we know, it provides the interface between the user and the system. In the same way, device drivers are the software which provide the interface between the hardware and the system. And we have drivers for every hardware, and without drivers the hardware cannot run, and the system utilities. So the first type of the software in the basic types is application software. As I said you, application software are the software which provide a specific task, and these are the software which gives the additional functionalities of system software. So here is the definition. It states that the software created for a specific purpose. As you can see, the Microsoft Office with MS Office. Here we have a Word document. We can create Word document, PPTs, notes. So the next type of the software is the system software. As I said you, the importance of the system. It provides the interface between the application software and the hardware. And we can see the Windows, Linux, Mac OS on the screen. These are all our operating systems. As we know the importance of the operating system, whenever we start our CPU, in the sense whenever we switch on our CPU, it will load the OS from hard disk to the RAM. Then only our system will operate. Here is the definition of the system software. It states that it provides interface between the hardware and the user applications are nothing but application software. Another thing, it is designated to run the computer's hardware and the application programs. I want to differentiate the software as a whole. Till now we see the different types of software are the system software and the application software. So other types of software are engineering software or scientific software. The software which are meant for engineering work. For example, like CAD, AutoCAD, which is used for designing, drawing purpose. So the next type of embedded software. The software which is used to create an embedded system are called as embedded software. The importance of the embedded system are it is a type of machine which have all the parts of it are arranged on a single chip. So the next type of software is product line software. These are the software which provide a specific task and which are meant for a particular business type. These provide some tasks for different types of customers. For example, bank loans. So the next type of software is web applications. The applications which provide the client-server interface are known as the web applications. If you consider the Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, there are all web browsers, search engines. So in web applications software, the client software will be running on the web browsers or the search engines. This we call as Mozilla Firefox and the Chrome. So the next type of software is artificial intelligence software. In this type of software, we talk about robotics. So the next type of software that we will discuss is scientific software. So here is the definition. It states that it is a category of the software used to facilitate the engineering functions and tasks. It means it makes the functions of the engineers easy, work of the engineer easy, and it is used in the engineering office, research facilities and testing laboratories. As we can see here, it is used in the testing laboratory, and here is the CAD, that is computer aided design. On the screen we can see all our embedded systems. So the software which is used to create or develop an embedded system is known as embedded software. Let us see the definition. It states that it is a software which is written to control the machines or devices which are not typically as computer. It means they cannot perform multiple tasks as a system can do, and they are specialized for a particular hardware that it runs on and has time and memory constraints. So these are the software which are used for developing a embedded system. So the first one is Protes, Keel, Arduino and Zilong. So the next type of software is product line software. Let us see the definition. It states that the software designed to provide a specific capabilities for different types of customers. So they are Tally, word processor, business plan and the loan applications. It means these are all are made for a specific task, and they will provide the same capabilities for different types of customers, and all these will have limited market scope. So the next one is web applications. So as I said applications which provide the client server communication or interface, they are known as web applications, and the client will be running on the web browser. For example, when we want to search something we will be texting in some web browser such as Chrome or Firefox. Then the content which we want to search will be known as the request, and that will be given to the server, and the server will be serving the content. It means we will be receiving some data about that content. So that is known as the serving. So this is what the client and server communication. So the following are the examples of web applications. So the next one is artificial intelligence software. First of all, what is an intelligence means? The capacity to learn and solve some problems. It means acting according to the situation, and in particular it means that acting like a human being. Of course, human being is a great creature who will be acting according to the situation, right? This is what the intelligence. And artificial intelligence in the sense creating and model or the robot which will act like a human being. And two main approaches are engineering and cognitive modeling. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.